Now, first of all, I would like to discuss what is in fact economics. Economics is a subject matter that studies different economic activities as directed towards the maximization of satisfaction or maximization of profit at the level of an individual and maximization of social welfare at the level of the country as a whole. As we have discussed earlier, that so far as the economic is concerned, that is in relation to how to get maximum satisfaction and how to get maximum profit on the basis of the limited resources for an individual. At the same time, economic also studies how to get maximum social welfare with the help of limited resources at national level. Now, we discuss scarcity of resources and the problem of choice. In fact, economic problem arises because of the scarcity of resources. Whether resources are scarce or not, that is always considered in terms of the wants and requirement from individual level and from the national level. Scarcity means it is a situation when demand for goods exceeds its supply even at a 0 point. Now, question of scarcity arises only when the resources in terms of demand are less and at the same time the resources which are scarce has got definitely so many uses or they have got alternative uses. Now, what is alternative use? Resources are not only scarce but have alternative uses as well. Now, so far as the resources are concerned, definitely they are scarce, but at the same time the person has got an opportunity to use the resources for so many uses. Now, in this case, this example is very important. Land may be used to grow wheat or rice or may be used for construction of building. As you know that land has got multiple uses. For what purpose the land must be used, that is depending on the individual, that is depending on the nation. Now, land can be used for cultivation and land can be used for construction work. Now, we discuss what is economic problem. It arises because resources are scarce and resources can be allocated to alternatives. Now, so far as the economic problem is concerned, it is only on account of scarcity of the resources. At the same time, resources which are so scarce can be put to use for many purposes. If both situations are there, then definitely the economic problem will arise. Now, note in this connection is very important. Economic problem does not arise if resources can be put only to one use. And second is problem of choice is because of resources have alternative use. Now, so far the choice of use of the resources will arise only when the resources has got alternate uses. If resources can be put to use only for one purpose, then there is no problem of choice of the use of the resources. Now, scarcity and choice are inseparable. At the consumer level, scarcity means limited income and choice means allocation of income to maximize his satisfaction. Now, so far as the consumer's level is concerned, definitely income is quite limited, but that can be used for so many purposes. So, the consumer would like to use the income in such a manner that he must be getting maximum satisfaction, maximum use out of the income. And at the producer level, scarcity means limited resources and choice means allocation of resources to maximize his profit. We know that there are so many factors of production. Land is there, capital is there, at the same time labor can be used for production purposes. But all the factors of productions are limited in quantity according to the requirement for the productions. Now, this is up to the producer. This is to be decided by the producer very rationally how the production factors can be put to use for getting maximum productions. Now, at the national level, scarcity means limited national resources and choice means uses of resources to maximize social welfare. Now, so far as the at national level is concerned, definitely we have got resources in a very limited manner, in a limited quantity, and that must be used in a manner so that we can get maximum social welfare.